Good day, ma'am. I'm Elmar Balondo, BSc-STOB. I'm here to present about the advancement in artificial intelligence. Advancement in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has seen significant advancement in recent years, revolutionizing various industries and applications. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations or streaming platforms, AI is a transform the way we interact with technology. One notable advancement is a natural language processing, allowing AI system to understand or generate human language more effectively. This has led to the development of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, making interactions with technology more intuitive and seamless. Additionally, machine learning algorithms have improved drastically, enabling AI systems to learn and adapt from data without being explicitly programmed. This has led to breakthrough in fields like healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting advancements in the future, further blurring the lines between human intelligence and machine capabilities. Main objective of advancement of artificial intelligence. First is enhance efficiency and productivity in various industries. Second is improve decision-making processes. Third is automate repetitive tasks to free up human resources for more complex tasks. Fourth is enable machines to learn from data and adapt to new situations. Fifth, enhance human-computer interactions. Sixth is improve healthcare outcomes through predictive analytic and personalized medicine. 7 is optimize resource allocations and management. Here is the key points about advancements in artificial intelligence. First is growth in AI capabilities. AI capabilities is artificial intelligence has seen tremendous growth in capabilities in recent years. According to a study by Gartner, the global AI software market is projected to reach $22.6 billion by 2023. Second is the automations and efficiency. AI has enabled automations of tasks across various industries, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings. For example, companies like Amazon use AI-powered robots in their warehouses to streamline operations, personalization, and data analysis. AI algorithms are being used to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their preferences. Companies like Netflix and Spotify leverage AI to analyze user data and suggest content tailored individual tests, visual recognitions, and image processing. Advancement in AI have led to improved visual recognition capabilities. For instance, facial recognition technology is being used for security purposes by law enforcement agencies and in smartphone authentication system. Significance of advancement in artificial intelligence. One of the key significance of advancement in AI is the potential to improve efficiency and productivity. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data on high speeds, enabling business to make more informed decisions and optimize their processes. This, in turn, can lead to cost savings and increased competitiveness. Another important significant is the ability of AI to automate repetitive tasks and free up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic activities. This can lead to job creation in new fields and allow employees to upskill and adapt to the changing workforce demands. Furthermore, advancements in AI have the potential to enhance personalized experience for consumers, such as personalized recommendations in e-commerce or tailor medical treatment. This not only improves customers' satisfaction but also drives innovations and the development of new products and services. In conclusion, the advancements in artificial intelligence have far-reaching implications across various sectors, offering opportunities for increased efficiency, job creation, and personalized experiences. As the AI technologies continues to evolve, it is essential for business policymakers to embrace these advancements and harness the full potential of AI for the betterment of society.